When do you recommend a merchant to buy the license for Adobe Commerce Cloud instead of Magento Open Source?
I mean, generally, there are definitely SLAs and support from Adobe that other than that, in terms of just product feature comparison, main reason when we recommend a merchant to buy Adobe Commerce Cloud is when they are having heavy B2B needs, right? So B2B can be, but there are other features like RMA is there, there's gift cards, there are other features, but those features are not that important. The main reason when we recommend Adobe Commerce Cloud license is when a customer is having heavy B2B needs.
What do you mean by that? What is going to be the B2B feature that is going to be most important for that merchant?
For them, and also the level or the maturity of B2B that they need. Like for example, a typical difference between a B2B and B2C is in B2B, a company is your buyer, is a customer, right?
Mm-hmm.
And B2C, I go to Amazon and buy this shirt from me. That's a B2C, right? So when B2B, there is definitely company is a buyer, but then within the company, there are staffs and there are multiple people, different roles and responsibilities, right? So there is that parent-child relationship into a B2B implementation versus in B2C, it's plain and simple. I go and buy, right? In B2B implementation, there are different maturities. A company who's buying from me can have a different price book. That's one level. Another level is that they can have a different catalog visibility. You can buy only these product from me and Tom can buy only that product from me. So there can be different catalog visibility. There can be different net terms, our contracts can be different. I can give you a bigger line of credit. You can buy $100,000 worth of product from me and the receivables can be open. But after that, that's the limit. So there can be limits on purchase. There can be different net terms. There can be different shipping options. You are my very good customer. I will give you next day shipping at no additional cost. There are those nuances. So depending on, we have the, a kind of checklist that we go through and we identify what is the level of complexity that you have in your shop when it relates to B2B.
Why using Adobe Commerce Cloud instead of other platforms such as SAP?
Adobe Commerce Cloud to us in mid-market is value for money. So for example, if you need a solution that can do full-blown B2B commerce, you have internationalization, you have multiple websites, different languages, different geo-region websites have different shipping methods, different payment methods. So implementations are different. The points or integrations are different. So if you want all of that in one umbrella, so then you need an enterprise solution, right? When you enter that enterprise solution, SAP Hybris, Salesforce Commerce Cloud, all those solutions are way much more expensive as compared to Adobe Commerce Cloud.